At this time, millions of people who gather at this place at Puri Rath Yatra, which there in Odisha. This is an iconic celebration which happened, a festival in Odisha turned into a biggest tragedy. Now, what tragedy did happen? Yes, the same happened which happened across the India few weeks ago, and this happened again in Odisha. So let us know what happened really, and can we prevented this thing, and this wouldn't be an end. That's I must know everything. So hi, my name is Darshan. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Maybe Squad. Before the you watching video, subscribe my channel so you and I can be stay connected and put lot more information so you can learn and I can type to you so that whole world, not only locally, national, international, other countries, local things what happened, I will tell in this video. So come, let's dive into the video. People who doesn't know what's the Rath Yatra means, let me give a small information about it. Rath Yatra is nothing but it's a chariot where both the side rope will be tied to each end and right and left, and the rope will stretch long, maybe in the kilometers also. So this both the side ropes will be tied, right? So to pull this chariot, lot of people gather to this and they pull together. So as you see in this image, also can find out a lot of people catching the rope and the pulling towards the one side to another side. So basically, this happened. This chariot they pulled from one place to another place. So this is a festival of they think the pride and nation, everything that this festival has. So they pull from Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple, uh, which had a lot of chaos before after this Sambat happening. So this is the context where people. This is not Stampede place which happened, but Stampede place happened other place. But this is the religious symbolic representation of that festival which happened. A lot of people come to pull this chariot and watch this temple and play this entire festival. This year, nearly 1 million people showed up to that temple for the festival. So this festival, as I said, is happened in Odisha at Puri's on place called Puri. So now, what really happened in the place? So is that something not a safe place, or it have been lack of other things? So because maybe 1 million people were showed up in this this place, nearly it's equal to 8 crore people showed up in this place. In now Indian, in 8 crore people showed up in that place. So 8 crore people hit two temples which had a lot of crowd. Not only the temples, even the road was filled, and no public travel not happen, like transportation did not could not happen because a lot of people gathered at festival. So there where the biggest tragedy happened. So this Gundicha temple, which located opposite of Jagannath temple, where people pull the chariot. I said before, the chariot was from Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. The Gundicha temple at around 9 a.m. A lot of people gathered over there. So it was an exit. So it was an exit corridor where when the chariot or other things was happening, the lot of people rushed into the bottleneck area. So basically, the bottleneck area is nothing but uh, you can see a bottle, right? This bottle. Now this is the if you guys think this is the en- this is the entry and exit point. So now imagine this is the exit point where the temple is here, but the exit point is earlier. After exit point, it's expanding. So this bottleneck point where the actually a tragedy happened. So when lot of people crashed into that, nearly 3 people were dead and lot people were injured. So this can be prevented. This was a lack of planning and lack of real-time monitoring failure. The people say so. This made a lot of chaos across India and made that realizing that this stampede nowadays happening often regularly. Now, other conclusion part I'm going to say is uh, had past few months and few days or few weeks can be lot of stampede happening. People lives are going just like that. That's because they don't have a lot of civic sense, or people lost out of their mind, or proper law planning, or these festival which has we has to celebration. has much tragedy. So where is the wrong? What happened? So we can't be prevented these things. Yes, surely can be prevented, surely can be save these people lives, and these people not only in this now Odisha, so Odisha stampede. I'm not saying about that. I'm saying even lot of people, even the government has been responded for this. Nearly government has given 5 lakhs aids for all people who died. There are three people, and government has condolence their expressed the condolence towards the people who had been dead. Now giving 5 lakhs, will they come back? No, they won't come back. So what I'm coming to say is my personal opinion. No, just no. The RCB stampede. You guys all know what happened actually. So is this any much important than a star? Now before you first before this you go see stampede which happened. Allu Arjun film Monument died, and Allu Arjun was arrested because of that. So because of stampede, Monument dead. Is stars more than their life? No. Now Mahakum. Mahakum also lot of people tried and a lot of people enjoy. Is there something greater than life than God? Did God come and say, give me some life, give your life so that I will keep you happy? No, no, God wouldn't say. This our people imagination perception that we have what to do, we have to go do something for see, for the stars and celebration, everything, they can go any high. So guys, I'm going to say one thing for you. See, it can be RCB stampede, it can be this stampede. What I'm going to say this video also. Everything is something which should be have to a celebration, but that's not come a tragedy because your life is nothing greater than anything. So each one life has right to purpose to live here, and each life has some many values. What 5 lakhs is the value of your life, or 10 lakhs the value of life with RCB stampede? No, right? This something's big here. So try to दिमाग में लगा होता है मैं क्या बोलूँगा यहाँ भी स्टैम्पेड होता है और भी स्टैम्पेड होता है क्या बोलूँगा सो गाइस just make yourself time that these things just happen when celebration should be celebration until it will become a tragedy. So be safe guys, whatever, be in your home, celebrate, it's okay, not a problem, yeah, nothing's breaking in life, go celebrate, but celebrate at your safety moment. Nowadays people are thinking if I go for plane also like, no safety, if I go for temples no safety, if I go somewhere cinema also no safety, which wherever I'm going to die, what to do? This is India. And people don't care who whatever because people take us l- full, I don't know what to say, because people take it lethargically because there are 140 crore people there. So it was happening in other countries. Little bit took very seriously these things. And from next onwards, but next onwards the things are happening only. They're not stopping at all. So lack of planning, lack of mentoring, and lack of civic sense. What have we have? We don't blame for anyone. But what we are having, we have to be careful about ourselves. Our lives should be careful. Nobody will come and save. So all the way in this video here, just share to your maximum friends and people who doesn't know what's happening, share for them also. So thank you. Stay tuned for next video. I will come.